Welcome back to the Spirited Shop. I am the Spirited Maker, and today I'm going to tell you the truth about these diode lasers. To begin with, I use these diode lasers with my CNC machine, which is a Bob CNC, to majority laser etch designs on woodwork for people. I do custom signs and custom pretty much anything. Birdhouses, bird feeders, and people like it. And they're very useful. So I like these little diode lasers. The thing I have about them though is they say that they will last up to 8,000 hours. Well, I guess that just means from 0 hours to 8,000 hours. But so far, I've bought 2 of these laser tree diode lasers. And this first one I got was an adjustable focal length version, where you can change the focus length. And it lasted maybe 9 months. And that's not with heavy use, but I do admit I probably ran this one at a higher percentage than I should have. And these will cut. These will cut through these like 2mm boards, no problem. So you can see I've actually cut out designs, and so they're useful for that too. But I can do that at about 50%. And so once the first one died, which was probably the cheapest one you can get, I went ahead and bought a more expensive one with like twice the power as the first one, thinking this one will last me longer because I will run it at a lot lower percentage of its power and hopefully get a lot longer life out of it. Well, this one lasted about 9 months, and I was running it at the majority of time only 20% of its power. So even running it at a lower power to etch, it didn't increase the lifespan of it. So I'm not sure if it's a laser tree thing or just a diode laser in general, but I'm not getting anywhere near the recommended hours. So this time I went with a different company, Annoy Tools. So it's a different company brand, but I'm sure they all come probably from a similar factory in China. Who knows? So we're going to give this third one a try. Each one of these is a little over $100. Same with that one. We'll see how long the lifespan is of this one. But so far on these laser diode versions, not the CO2 versions, which I can't afford, but with these laser diode lasers, I'm getting about 9 months of use, and it's not heavy use. I use them 3 or 4 times a week to do at about 2 or 3 hours, and I let them rest every 10 minutes to like it recommends to cool off. So with this new laser, we'll see how long it lasts, and I'll report back with it. But so far, these laser tree diode lasers, I'm getting 9 months out of them. Nowhere near the 8,000 hours claimed. So anyway, I think I'll end it with just showing this laser burning. Thank you guys for stopping by and spending a little time with me on this. I use these a lot, and I do like them, but they're not getting near the claimed hours that they do. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Thank you for spending some time with me today. As always, friends, God bless, and I'll see you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. I'll catch you.